Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a WhatsApp link. Whether you're using it for personal connections or business purposes, this method is quick and effective. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. This is the starting point for creating your custom link. Once inside the app, select any chat where you can type a message. It could be a conversation with a friend, a group, or even your own saved notes. Now, it's time to create the link. In the message field, type the following: ua.me/ followed by your phone number in international format. This means you should include your country code but omit any symbols like plus, dashes, or spaces. For example, if your phone number is +1 234 5678 901, you would type ua.me/1 234 5678 901. Once you've typed out the link, tap send. Congratulations! You've successfully created your WhatsApp link. When anyone clicks on this link, they'll be directed straight to a chat with you on WhatsApp. This method is perfect for sharing your contact information quickly and efficiently. You can copy the link from the chat and use it anywhere, on social media profiles, websites, emails, or even as part of a QR code for easy access. And there you have it, a simple and updated way to create a WhatsApp link in just a few steps. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching.